In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Bend Deformer in Cinema 4D. The Bend Deformer is a quick, flexible way to curve geometry without permanently changing your model. It's perfect for arching text, curving tubes, or giving hard surface objects a subtle, organic flex. Let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish. First, add a Bend Deformer from the Deformer menu. You'll find it among the purple deformer icons. When you click Bend, a new deformer object appears in your Object Manager. It won't affect anything yet, that's expected. Next, make the Bend Deformer a child of the object you want to bend. In the Object Manager, drag the Bend Deformer underneath your target object so it nests directly below it. Deformers in Cinema 4D operate on their parents, so this parent-child relationship is essential. If the bend sits beside your object instead of under it, you won't see any change. Before you start dialing in the bend, ensure your object has enough segments for a smooth result. Segments are the subdivisions that give the mesh points to deform. With too few, the bend will look blocky or will barely move at all. If you're using a parametric object like a cube, capsule, or cylinder, increase its segment values in the object's parameters. If you're working with a polygon model, consider adding subdivisions beforehand so the surface has enough geometry to curve cleanly. Select the Bend Deformer and choose Fit to Parent. This instantly matches the deformer's bounding box to the size of your object, saving you from manual scaling. When the deformer's cage encloses the mesh, you'll get a predictable, even bend. If the bend feels off-axis, remember that the deformer's orientation controls the direction of the curve, so its size and rotation matter. Now fine-tune the look in the Bend Deformer's attributes. Strength determines how much the object bends. Increase it for a more pronounced arc, or use negative values to bend the other way. Angle changes the direction of the bend without needing to rotate the deformer itself, which makes it great for quick orientation tweaks. Explore mode to switch between a limited, within-box effect or a broader influence. And enable options like Keep Y-Length if you want to maintain height and reduce stretching. You can also adjust fall-off to soften how the bend fades across the model for more natural results. If you don't see any effect, double-check that the deformer is a child, its box surrounds the mesh, and the object has enough segments. That's it. Add the bend, fit it, and shape your curve with a few intuitive sliders.